What's up, guys? On today's video, I don't know what time it is anymore. On this video, we're gonna see if I can fuck up my cylinder head with a sandblaster and see how well this chemical can clean. So stick around and let's go see how we do. Alright, so we got all the valves out, and I didn't show you guys this before, but it's just a piece of 2x4, some circles drawn on it, spots for each valve in each cylinder, and then the shafts are 1/4 of an inch. And then here's everything for the top end, and everything's labeled so you know where everything came out of. Right now, I am pulling the valve stem seals, and the easiest way I found to do it is you take the torch, heat it up, you'll hear it sizzle and pop, and once it starts to smoke, grab it and you pinch it and wiggle and pull up, and there you go. So now let me finish doing it to the rest of these, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so I need to clean all the carbon off of the back of the head. So I attempted to make a soda blaster, but it did not work out like I wanted. But I remembered that I bought this a long time ago, and it's been in the back of my shed. So we're going to fill it full of baking soda from the grocery store and see how it does. Alright guys, so we got it all clean, and I think it came out really good, but tell me what you think. So this is just grocery store baking soda out of a regular pressure pot sandblaster. It didn't hurt the surface, it didn't scar it or anything like that, pit it, nothing. It just took off all the carbon and the nasty shit and made it fresh again. So now I can lap the valves. I'm going to finish cleaning this up, and then we'll get to doing the valves. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, if it came out good, bad, or otherwise. Let me show you what I'm going to use to clean all the carbon off of the valves, and how I labeled everything. Alright, so I'm going to use Kim Dip, and then I just tied some fishing string around each valve, and it's got its little tag on it of where I took it out off of the board and each cylinder and then each spot. So we'll let this soak in here. I will start with 30 minutes. Alright guys, so I ended up leaving them in for about 10 hours. So let's see how they look. So we're just rinsing them in some regular old water. Trying not to get the tags. Let's pick one up. So I don't know, guys. Everything that I read and watched on YouTube, everybody said that this did really good. It just varies because like this valve came really clean, but this valve didn't come clean at all. So I don't know. Alright guys, now that we got the head all clean and ready to lap the valves, we need to clean the valves because that stuff did nothing. It didn't clean them. So I'm gonna use the bench grinder with a wire wheel on it. If you have a brass wire wheel, that's best, but I don't have one and I'm using what I have. I went ahead and did one already. It's clean, didn't ruin the valve seat. This is what it looks like before. I'll show you how to do it real quick and then I'll do all of them. Real quick, instead of using my hands to spin it, because I can't spin it fast enough, I put it in the drill. Took some masking tape, wrapped it around 3 or 4 times, and just snugged it in the chuck. You don't have to kill it. You don't want to scar the top of the valve stem. So the only difference is in the drill, and it'll turn it instead of me. So let's get all these valves cleaned up, and then we can lap the valves. Alright guys, here we go. They're all cleaned up. Got all the carbon off of them. Focus. Now on the exhaust valves, that stuff was caked on there and I couldn't get down into the indentation in them, so I used the Dremel with a real soft, almost no grit drum attachment. I don't know exactly what you would call that. And just, it didn't take away any metal or anything like that. I just dug out the carbon. I'm sure if you worked at it good enough with the bench grinder, it would come out. Because this one came clean, but this one I had to clean out. But they are clean enough to lap. So the next clip will be lapping the valves. Alright guys, we're going to cut the video here. It seems like my videos keep getting longer and longer each one I do. But let me know if you guys think they're too long, too short. Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to get more updates on the channel. We are getting very close to finishing the CRV. That way I can finally get to my wagon and get that going. Because I really want to get out and get some racing done. But next video, we will be lapping the valves and maybe something else. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.